play it. It's my song. I live in a barn behind a house in East Austin, and I've had it for like 6 years, and I've converted it into a venue, sort of, like with a stage and a really nice sound system, which is not currently set up, but it is often. And it's just become like an art space, basically. Like, I really didn't mean for it to be, but it's turned into where I throw shows here, and hundreds of people show up sometimes, and also music videos have been shot here, and recordings have been done here, so it's just kind of turned into an art space. It's like we made a childhood like sheep fort come to life, you know, like in an adult form. Came back from recording balloons in Denmark to having no label or no money to put out balloons. Like, everything that the label discussions I was in, those fell through. It was some weird stuff went down, and anyways, I came home, and so in that time I was just stuck here, like totally broke, and had nothing. Like, just like the wind knocked out of me because of this situation, and I needed a project to pull myself out of a depression, basically. Right. I just started recording SpeedDreamer just to sort of see what it would sound like, and then when it was done, I was like, this actually sounds really good, and I tried another song, and then another, and then I was like, I'm making an album, I guess. Where we went to junior high school, this little number I'd seen got together when we were 18. I just write songs constantly, just every day. Yeah, I can just pick up an instrument and just write a song on it, like, then and there. Like, I do that all the time, just to like make friends laugh, or just for any stupid reason. I don't know. It's it feels like it feels like a real gift, and not necessarily a talent of mine. I feel truly like grateful that somehow there's this gift of unexpected inspiration that, like, I'll just out of nowhere sing a song in my head that has never existed before, you know, and there you go.